All right, I want to provide a severe weather update here across New Jersey as we have more storms that are going to be developing and moving in after the big round for North Jersey that moved through during the earlier portions of this afternoon. Tornado watch in effect. We are between that warm front and cold front, and that is that sector of some spin in the atmosphere, the warmth and the energy, and the main complexes of storms moving on through. Plenty of humidity certainly in place. Those temperatures are into the middle 80s pretty much area wide, and when you look at the dew points you get why it is very humid and it feels like it's well into the 90s, because those dew points are absolutely ew disgusting tropical through the middle 70s across the area. So you certainly got the moisture, you got a little bit of that wind. Severe thunderstorm outlook is still elevated all across the general area. I mean, we are talking about that kind of like 3 out of 5 on the scale. If you consider that general, just basic thunderstorm, it'd be a 3 or 6 out of scale. So definitely decent chance. Winds being the main threat, that is a big area of 45% chance. Now, a normal thunderstorm type event, it's probably between 10 and 20%. So this is where it gets a lot more rare as you look at those chances to be finally way higher, 45%. Here's the one cell that's entering out of Pennsylvania into Wilmington, Delaware, into the Philadelphia area, and it's going to be sliding east into like Swedesboro, Woodstown, in portions of Jersey. This does not have rotation on it at this time, but it does have some pretty strong winds with it and a good amount of lightning as well. So this is what it's going to look like here over the next few hours or so. We'll see a few storms that will get certainly feisty. It looks like the main corridor probably more towards like Atlantic City to the Middletown area and south. So far South Jersey, it looks like another couple guys will go north of Trenton, closer to New York City area. We'll have some breaks in between, but definitely that's the strongest stuff through about 7:30 or so. Then later on, it is heavy rain into, let's say, 10 o'clock or so at night. That looks to be far focused on far southern Jersey at this point. And then we dry things out and some cloud cover into the day tomorrow. That front moves through. We'll drop the humidity. We'll introduce some more sunshine with that front during the afternoon hours, though. We will have enough of a trigger, though, to still have a few showers and thunderstorms that develop, but there's not really a severe weather risk with this. And a lot of the development is probably going to be into the ocean. Then we will have much more in the way of sunshine with the big blue H moving towards us as we go on in towards Thursday and into Friday ahead of any other additional systems at that point. So you can see there Friday looking pretty good. As we go on towards portions of Friday night, we get another low pressure that moves closer to the area, and that will bring some isolated showers into the day on your Saturday with a little bit more cloud cover and a little bit warmer temperatures and more humidity. But there's no big system really coming on in until we get into probably more like Monday at this point. And that will probably hang out more into, let's say, Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, and then slide off towards the east. So it might not be till like Monday night, Tuesday, that there's more in the way of those widespread rounds of rain and thunderstorms. Yes, that will likely probably pack a little bit of a punch too. So rain is definitely one of the main factors here. It's going to put down plenty of it over the next several days. I mean, with this chance and then another additional chance or two, I mean, we're talking about a widespread 1 to 2 inches plus of rain. So very active pattern continuing. It's going to start winding down, though, I think, after this. Early August still might be a little active, but I think most of August is probably going to be on the drier side of things. But you can see in that next 6 to 10 day period, it's still going to be a little bit above average in terms of precipitation, most likely. And mugginess. Now, this is the good news. It steps down slightly for tomorrow, but look at that. Refreshing. A big drop for Thursday and Friday in the humidity side of things. And it's just a slight climb Saturday and Sunday. But it definitely will start to get a little bit stickier by the end of the weekend and early portions of next week. All right, that is all we're going to showcase for now. Make it a great one. Have a great day.